Hey, this is Zero Gravity with the second part of the Lonely Island Minecraft map. In between this episode and the last, I made this little farm, and I extended my animal farm quite a bit. And there's a baby down there, because I bred them. So, the next thing I think we should do is try to get some iron and get some better tools. Maybe extend the island a bit. Oh, and get some coal so we can light it up. Grab the coal, and I see a piece of iron right here. Oh, I'm almost out of breath. Okay, it's one of these three. Alright. Ooh, that was close. No, come on. Okay. See if there's any iron down there. I'm only seeing one. That's weird. I need to make a shovel so I can get some of this dirt. I need more cobblestone. No, I think I lost it. I got it. Alright, so make a shovel. Perfect. And come down here and start grabbing some of this dirt. Okay. Okay, get some more dirt. Whoa. Pulled in. Okay, come over here. Okay, so I am going to extend the island a bit in just a second. Okay, so we're going to take this dirt, just start filling in. Then come over to this side, just start filling the island in. Okay, that should be good. We have a sizable island now. And yeah. So, I think that we should start a mine. I'm going to go all the way down to get that. After I plant this sapling, maybe they will grow. I have no idea why these aren't growing though. I am going to switch to easy mode here real quick. And maybe something will spawn? Maybe? I don't know, I was hoping for a skeleton so that I could I was hoping for a skeleton so that I could get some bone meal, but I guess that's not gonna happen. Well, I'm gonna end off the episode here, I guess. See you next time.